Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about a Medik8 product. I've done a few Medik8 product reviews in the past. The products are great. Truly is. They're not a bad skincare brand, except their price is a bit on the high-end side. They're a bit pricey. I don't buy a lot of Medik8 products because I can always find another alternative. And often they come in 20 or 30 mils. So the mils are quite small, and yet the price is quite high. And today I want to talk about the very, very famous Crystal Retinal. I think Medik8 is possibly the first what you call over-the-counter clinical skincare brand that starts selling Retinaldehyde or Retinal to the mass consumer. The most powerful form of vitamin A is retinoic acid, which you have to get by a doctor's prescription. And then you have retinal or retinaldehyde. So retinaldehyde requires one conversion to turn into retinoic acid. Retinol requires two-step conversion to turn into retinoic acid. And that's why retinol is not as potent or as powerful as retinal or retinaldehyde. And I have personally really enjoyed using retinal or retinaldehyde in my skincare routine lately. I have truly found some of my really, really stubborn age spot, sunspot, or pigmentation or melasma starts to fade. So this is Medik8 Crystal Retinal 6 or 0.06%, which is mid-strength retinaldehyde. Medik8 produces 5 retinal products. It's got Retinal 1, which is 0.01% low strength, Retinal 3, 0.03%, which is again low strength, and then it will jump straight to Retinal 6, and then it's got 2 high-strength retinal, and they call it the Retinal 10 and Retinal 20. Basically, retinal at 0.1% and 0.2%, which is high strength. As you can see, it's got this peachy color serum. It's just a beautiful, soft serum. Very smooth, very easy to rub into your skin. Your skin just absorbs it, just drinks it up. And the scent, it's got a very neutral scent. Medik8 products doesn't contain any perfume, paraben, sulfate, etc. Whatever you smell is just the powerful ingredients. Really, really like this product. I've been using the 0.05% by Allies of Skin, and that's excellent. And this 0.06% is one notch higher. Yeah, one notch in its potency. My first few nights, I think first 3-4 nights, I can start seeing reaction, a slight reaction on my skin, which tells me this product is quite powerful. I can feel a bit of sandiness. The skin is really reacting to it. And I just stop using it, give it a couple of days rest, and then go back to it. And my skin has since adjusted to that 0.06% retinal. And I'm really seeing a couple of my really, really stubborn melasma patches starting to break. And to me, that is the test of the potency of the product. Yeah, this is an excellent, excellent product. If the price bracket is not a problem, go for this. The ingredients, of course, it's got the 0.06% retinal or retinaldehyde, glycerin, tocopherol acetate, cloudberry seed oil. It's got vitamin C in the form of tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, sodium hyaluronate, carrot seed oil, honeysuckle flower extract, and a whole lot of other mixing ingredients. And the price for this is 135 Australian dollars for 30 mils. So Adore Beauty in Australia is the official stockist for all the Medik8 products. It's not a cheap product, but this is an absolutely fabulous product. If you find that your retinol product are just working a bit slow, not giving you that fast results, I suggest switch to Retinaldehyde or Retinal. I mean, since I started using Retinal, I haven't actually gone back to any of my retinol products. It's just really fading those very stubborn pigmentation and melasma that I've got on my cheeks. So yeah, I really, really love this product. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.